guys, this is Momita here, and today I'm just exploring a local neighborhood over here in Israel. And right now I'm going for fish pedicure. There's a small mini pond and it's famous for fish pedicure. So I'm going there right now. Now what else you need from your life? You're getting a fish pedicure, that too free of cost. So let's go. See guys, see the route is through the jungle. I have to cross this jungle and go to this mini pond for my fish pedicure. So I've reached this small mini pond behind me. This is a natural pedicure. It's like a natural fish pedicure. People come over here to do their own pedicure. That's free of cost. So guys, right now I'm entering inside the dairy farm, the Israel dairy farm, and I'll show you how they milk the cow and how well organized they are. So let's go inside.
It's like a big pool, and it's water inside, and on top of this you have this, or the carousel. Big carousels is lined like a
36
and floating on this, and it's three engine, pulling and turning, and then this is turn around like this. But it's floating on water. 1994.
Okay.
1994. 1994.
How many cows?
In the carousel, each is 36 cows. All the cows together there, it's around 800. And 800 cows.
And how many people working?
Only 3 people.
Total
On this.
in this.
For milking.
Okay.
Milking
And total?
Total me. I develop food. There's no big machine. I develop food. Me and one girl is taking care about the cows. Small. Each day we are around 12 people.
As you can see, all cows enter from this side and they all stand in queue and waiting for their turn to come. Such a well organized cow I had never seen in my whole life. Important step. First they clean and sanitize the cow's area, and milk is extracted from the cow's udder by flexible rubber sheets known as liners or inflations that are surrounded by a rigid air chamber. When ambient air is allowed to enter the chamber, the vacuum inside the inflation causes the inflation to collapse around the cow's teeth, squeezing the milk out of teeth in a similar fashion as a baby cow's mouth massaging the teeth. When the vacuum is reapplied in the chamber, the flexible rubber inflation relaxes and opens up, preparing for the next squeezing cycle. The Avital Volcanic Park is a geological volcanic site in the Golan Heights, not far from Israel's border with Syria. The Avital Volcanic Park was built on the grounds of an old quarry and is one of the handful of abandoned quarries throughout Israel that are being transformed into public parks. So today is my last day in Israel, so I wanted to try some Israeli cuisine, and actually I don't have much of time left in my hand because after this I have to go straight to the airport. So on my way I just picked up some take away like this, and it's a falafel. Falafel, it's very famous over here. It's like a chickpeas pakoda. We say in India it's like pakoda chicken made up of chickpeas. I'll show you guys. So this is how it looks like, and they just coated with the white sesame over here. So it's very crunchy. So I'm gonna taste it. It's too good. It's too good. Actually, I hardly any time left in my hand, so that's why I'm eating in my car. So excuse me for that, but I can't resist myself because I want to try something Israeli cuisine. So this is what I got: falafel for vegetarians. Okay, mind you, vegetarian, and it's too good, guys. So this is my last vlog of Israel, and I hope you guys enjoy my Israel vlog, and do mention in the comment section below. And guys, don't forget to subscribe, press the bell icon also so you get notified whenever I'm uploading new videos. So till then, bye bye, and I'll come up with more new videos. So stay tuned with our channel. Bye, take care.